Alright, so in this episode, I am going to go over plotting into PDFs. Some people have issues with plotting, and this is a floor plan that um, I received, and you can clearly see that it doesn't look like anything was done. But in reality, things were done. Cancel out of this. We're missing walls. Well, how are they drawn up here and they're not showing up in the plots? Go to layer properties. Check it out. Right here on each layer, you can turn off this layer from being printed. And check this out. This is also going to be a reminder on how to plot. Some of you have been plotting too small, and if I can't see it, I'm not going to grade it. Um, it's really not that hard. So, Control P. Go down to the general documentation, and from right here, go to Window, and it's just like a rectangle. Everything you want to see on your plot, cover it with a rectangle, and then center plot, preview. Okay, it's in color. I don't want it in color. Make sure it is in monochrome. Hit preview. It should look like this. If it doesn't look like this, where everything is maximized so I can read it, you're not going to get credit for it. So all your hard work would be for nothing. Make sure it's presentable. Make sure it's legible. I mean, think about it. If you turn this into the city's going to be like, I can't read this. I can't permit this. So start getting used to plotting and make sure it's legible. Even this one's messed up because I see that there's a dimension right here that's cut off. So I'm going to go back, Window, and I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Preview. There you go. Alright, let me exit. Hit OK. And then save it. Done. Save it to PDF. That's it. Thank you.